Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find your earbud SOUNDCORE P40i using application. You have to start by open SOUNDCORE application. Now click on your earbuds here and then go to the settings at the right top. And right here we have find device, we need to tap on it, and then we can play a song for the left one or right one earbuds. Just press on it and click continue. You can also add the second device and it will play a song for you. When you find your earbuds, just click the pause to pause it, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!